How do the lush green leaves of the plantations in Sri Lanka become that steaming cup of tea that we so delight to on an afternoon?
The history of Ceylon tea starts from 18th century. Sri Lanka was ruled by British from 18th century to 19th century.
Yes.
So that is the last colonial period of Sri Lanka. These British, they brought one tea plant from China to Sri Lanka to give a try. Now this Sri Lankan tea or Ceylon tea has become very popular in the tea market in the world.
Sri Lanka is one of the world's largest exporters of tea, and it all starts with the meticulous efforts of the cultivation of Ceylon tea trees.
Yeah, he's always telling me, babe. Smells like nothing yet. Wow, it's hot.
Yeah, it's very hot. This is the firing section. We need to return the color and the quality of the taste, right? So we put in this firing machine.
It's really dry now.
If you want an experience of sensory smells, noises and sights, make sure you visit the tea factories in this wild country.